Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna solve LeetCode problem number 3396. That is minimum number of operations to make elements in array distinct. This is an easy problem. You just go through description once. You are given an integer array nums. You need to ensure that the element in the array are distinct. To achieve this, you can perform the following operation any number of times. So our goal is to make this array distinct. For that, we are given an operation. Let's see what the operation is. Remove three elements from the beginning of the array. If the array has fewer than three elements, remove all the remaining elements. So here the condition is we have to remove the first three elements of the array, and if there are less than three elements, then we'll removing all the remaining elements. Note that an empty array is considered to have distinct element. Okay, so empty array is counted as a distinct elements. Returning the minimum number of operations needed to make the element in the array distinct. So uh, we have to use this operation to make the element to make the array distinct, and we have to return how many minimum number of operations we have to do to meet this condition to make the array distinct. Let's just go to one of the example. Here we can see the nums. In example number one, we can see we have an integer array of nums. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 3, 5, 7. Obviously, it has duplicates. Explanation. In the first operation, the first three elements are removed, resulting in the array 4, 2, 3, 3, 5, 7. Yeah, we are removing first three elements, and remaining six elements are there. The second operation, the number three elements are removed, resulting in the array 357, which has distinct elements. So, like in each step, we are gonna be, we get an idea that in each step we are gonna be checking if the elements are distinct or not. Correct. So in this condition, we checked and we got to know that elements are distinct. Hence, we are returning 2 as an output because we have done the operation twice. Let's go through example number 2. Input nums equals to 45644. Num output 2. Explanation. In the first operation, the first three elements are removed, resulting in the array 4, comma 4. So we have done the operation one time and we got 4, 4, but there's a condition. If the array has fewer than three elements, remove all three remaining elements. So we are removing uh, 4 comma 4 as well, and we are counting it as a second operation. So minimum two operations need to be done to make this distinct. Example 3, if you go through this is already distinct 6, 7, 8, 9. So array already contains distinct element, therefore the answer is 0. So using this example, we got an idea that we have to check in every step that array is distinct or not. And if it's not distinct, we have to remove first three elements. And if the array is less than 3, then we have to remove everything and uh, count it as a uh, count it as an operation. Okay, let's go to the constraints. Nums dot length is greater than 1, less than 100. So we have to solve this in n square complexity. I think this is a bit simple. We don't need to go in dynamic programming or anything. Like it's given n square. We can do it via that as well, but I don't think there is any need for that. Um, let's first what we can do in here. As soon as we get distinct, there are two things we can do. One is we can create a hash map. The other thing is set. So set contains all the distinct element, and in each step we have to check if the array is distinct or not. So if we uh, compare the array with the set for the same nums of a set, we have nums, which is basically an array. So if we make a set of this and compare with the nums again, which is a list or array. So like nums of set of a nums as well as list of a nums. If we compare and get the same, uh, basically the same, can say it as length. Yeah, same length. So if all the elements are distinct, obviously in the set they are all distinct. So we'll whatever the length of set is, if that is the length of what what do we call it? Array, then we can say that all the distinct array contains all the distinct elements. So we can run a while loop or for loop or while loop. Let's go through it. If we run a while loop, what happens if it's less than mm, mm, we can run a while loop, but what happens if it's zero? Like if the last two elements are 4, 4 and 4, like in this condition, we have done all the operation. This is the condition. Here, list is greater than set. So for failing, what should be the condition? Like set should be less than list, then only it will fail. So for while less not sorry len of what is that length of nums is greater than length of set of nums. What will happen? Nums will become 3 quotation, right? Nums will be, and we have to declare a count. Basically, we have to return count, right? Initially, count is equal to 0. Uh, count plus equal to 1. So if length of yeah, correct. If length of nums is 0, like less than set length of set, then it will give us the distinct array return count. Let's try running. Let's try running this code. Okay, it's passing. Let's try submitting this. Let's see if it passes all the hidden test cases. So yeah, it's passing all the hidden test cases. Obviously, it doesn't have great time complexity. Like it's taking 8 millisecond, and the record is 0 millisecond. Mm, okay, not sure. Like there are number of ways we can use hash map and I guess dynamic programming as well. But I found this pretty easy, and I went with this approach. Uh, yeah, that's it for today, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.